Right, so you want to learn how to do the night tick. Okay, so got a little base here. So we got this is the start, and the other part is the finish. So it's just a blue tick, so it could be any colour you want. We'll just go around here, and then we'll just have it zoom up to here. You know, pretty simple. Not the most difficult thing to do. I mean, pretty much anyone can do this. You know, you can make it as perfect as you want. You know, just colour that in a little bit there. Of course, it's not the perfect blue that I want. It's more of like a purple, but it's all good. No worries. You know, here we go up there. It's just a bit there, just do it like that, and then put my. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And I thought, you know, this is a bit boring. You know, you could put it on any background you want. Of course, just a night tick. Not the most difficult thing there, but you know, I thought I'd put it on a nice on an Air Max there. So what you can do is you can just get a bit of that, put it over here, have a bit of free transform, move it down, put it in there just like that. There you go. So there you go, there's a night tick on a nice Air Max there. But then I thought, nah, that's not enough. I'm just gonna deselect it here. So here we go. I'm just gonna deselect there. So then I thought, no, that's not enough. I tell you what if we zoom out a little bit and we make it look like it's a splash? How about that? Cool, sweet. That's what I like. I call it splash art. Yeah, you like that one. Anyway, so then I thought, well, what if this is a giant trainer? Yeah, what if this is a giant trainer, giant tick? What happens, right? If I just zoom out a little bit more, if I can, here we go, zoom out a little bit more. What happens if it causes a tsunami? Jesus, oh my god. What are we going to do with this? Alright, bear with me. So then I thought, what if there's a tsunami in London? I mean, you know, you can tell where I kind of phoned in the art on this part. But then what I thought, what if it's Usain Bolt's there and he's running away from the tsunami as well? So you can have so much fun with a night tick. There's so much stuff there. So many things you can do. You know, we won't talk about why Usain Bolt was in his old kit, and we know that Usain Bolt was not drawn very well, but that's because it spent about 3 hours on doing everything else just for this one skit and thought it'd be funny, so we won't ask any questions about it and we'll just accept what's going on in this picture. But that's what you can do with the night tick. I hope you enjoyed. You know, there'll be plenty more tutorials after this on how to do very simple designs like the night tick. I mean, there we go. See you in the next one.